in yesterday's lesson, we did whole number by decimal. Today, we're going to do decimal by decimal. So that means we're going to have a decimal on the top and a decimal on the bottom. So let's take a look at the example. I can move this over. There you go. So, it doesn't matter which way you put the numbers in the multiplication problem, correct? 2 times 3 is 6, and so it's 3 times 2. So, on this one, I put 3.6 on the bottom. Could we have put it on the top?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Do you see on the top that there's 1, 2 spaces after the decimal? And down here, there's 1. So that's 1, 2, 3. That means we're going to have 3 on the bottom. So this time, we're just going to add them all up and figure it out. So on this one, I'm just going to do 5.7. Is that a thick enough pen for you guys, or do I need a thicker one?
No, I need a friend.
That's good enough.
No. I need a friend.
5.7 times 2.8. So we're going to look at it like there's no decimals right now. So we're taking 57 times 28, right? So 7 times 8 is? 5 times 8 is? Plus 5 is? Now we're going to go into the second row. And our first number we're always going to put down is 0. That holds our place value. 2 times 7 is? Carry your 1. Then we have 5 times 2 plus 1 is 11. So you guys have been doing multiplication like this for a while, right? So this is the easy part. Now we're going to look back up here. We have 1 place after the decimal here and 1 here. Together, how much is that? 2. So I'm going to go 1, 2, decimal. That's my answer. Yeah, it's money. Okay, let's move on to the next one. I have 4.2 times 0.05. By just glancing at this problem up here, how many places are going to be in your decimal? Nolan?
Oh, there's going to be 4?
Yeah, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 4 spots, right? So I'm going to act just like it's 412 times 5. So 2 times 5 is 5 times 1 plus 1.
6.
And then 4 times 5 is 20. Okay. And Nolan said we have 4 spots because there's 4 spots up here behind the decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
To 0, or you can put it there.
Yeah, just like that. How many people remember doing this on Monday on your daily math?
I remember doing this in 4th grade.
You remember doing
I
this?
remember doing it.
Daily math on Monday, and you guys are like, I don't know how to do this one. But do you think you would be able to do it now?
Yeah.
Okay, which number do you want to put on top on this problem? Allie?
0.14.
Okay. So it's basically just like we're doing 14 times 37, right? So we have 4 times 7 is
48.
28.
48.
And 7 plus 2 is?
9.
So I'm going to hold my place value. I'm going to hold my place value to 0. And then 3 times 4 is? Carry my 1. Then 3 plus 1 is? 4. And so I get an 8, an 11, and a 5. Now if we look up here, Lucas, how many places do we need?
3.
Well, we have 1, 2, 3 here, and then we still have 1 more, right? So 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What needs to go there, Brennan? A 0. Just like that. Yes, okay.
Hey, should one of the decimal line up with the other decimal?
When you're multiplying, you're just going to multiply like the whole number.
Down here,
You remember how Tim and Moby kicked the decimal out?
Yeah.
That's
Down here it says add to
Yeah, and we already kind of annexed right there, didn't we? Okay. So, we're going to be multiplying. 7 times 4 is 28. 6 times 4 is, plus 2 is, annex is 0, not annex is 0, it's your place value. Then we get 7 and 6. So 8, 13, 9. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that's beautiful. What number do you want to put on top of this one? Lucas? 0.32, I would say that too. Because it's just like we're taking 32 times 4, isn't it? So 2 times 4 is 8. And 3 times 4 is 12. Now, with your fingers, hold up the amount of spaces you think we need behind the decimal. 4. Because 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you just ask if I was married?
Yeah. No. I didn't know you were married.
That's Mr. Goldschmidt. Miss Goldschmidt. M-R-S.
I know. Miss Goldschmidt.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I actually Mr. Goldschmidt. Well, if she always goes, I don't think my husband wants you getting my your thing. This is 0.0.
0.0? Yeah. I added my decimal, my 0 in front of my decimal.
And I need a 0.
Right here?
No, up there. Up. Go over to the left. No, go back. Right there.
0.04?
That's 0.0.
Sorry. Okay, our next one. Which one do you want on top? Allie.
0.205.
Okay, so it's like we're going to have 205 on top times 0.26. I'll add a 0 in, I guess. So 5 times 6 is
30.
6 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 2 times 6 is
12.
our place value holder. 2 times 5 is
I'm not even done writing.
2 times 0 is plus 1 is, and then 2 times 2 is. Then we're going to add that all up, and what do we get? Ashlyn? You got 6?
I got 5.
That's 5.
I got 5.
4 plus 1 is 5.
Okay, so Carter, how many decimal spots should we have? 5. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 1 left. Yes? No, I slowed down. Okay, Ava.
Put the one with the whole number on top.
Okay.
Or wait.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it makes it much easier when there's only one number on the bottom, isn't it?
Yeah.
So 6 times 3 is?
18.
6 times 3 is plus 1. And then 6, 7. Hold your fingers up the amount of places or spaces after the decimal you think you're going to have. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are there any questions?
Oh, she could.
Ava. You couldn't drop it straight down, no.
Oh, yeah, because you have to put the...
Because you have to count. Only on adding and subtracting, drop it straight down.
Okay,
Guys, I called on Ava. No, because you'd be making, it would be like saying, instead of 0 pies, you get 1 pie. No, you can't make that happen. We all would love 1 pie, but it wouldn't, you know.